how to enable multi-account feature on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can enable multi-account feature on your WhatsApp. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So you can enable your multi-account feature on your WhatsApp by using the native add account feature. So for that, open up your WhatsApp. Make sure that your app is up to date to the latest version. After that, you can simply head over to your settings. Tap on the three dots on the top right. You'll find the settings option. Tap on it. After you're there, head over to account. On your account, you'll find the add account option. So that's the feature that we'll be using. Tap on add account. Tap on add WhatsApp account. After you do that, agree. Tap on agree and continue to accept the terms and conditions. Now simply start with the setup. Enter your mobile number for your second account and verify it with the code they send you, and then start setting up your account. And that's how you can enable multi-account feature on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.